Hello, I'm Millie Marshall-Lochran and I'm Deputy Editor of International Security Journal. Welcome to this ISJ Leaders in Security video. Today I'm speaking with Gary Harmer, Commercial Director of Hikvision UK and Ireland. Thank you so much for speaking to me today, Gary. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks.
Thank you. So cities around the world are getting smarter and large-scale AI is driving that transformation on our roads. So Gary, how is large-scale AI transforming traffic monitoring and urban mobility management?
So our advanced technology is being used in some regions for traffic management scenarios. And what we've done is we've developed a large-scale model. So with the incorporation of the in-depth knowledge from the traffic industry, the large-scale AI model can show strong generalization and the ability with an enhanced performance in understanding complex traffic scenarios. What that gives us the ability to do is to analyse the whole picture, and by doing so we're able to eventually avoid, for example, a false penalty. I'll give you an example. If a camera captures somebody turning right where there's a no right turn, that would normally involve a penalty. But because we understand the broader context of the scene, we can intelligently enable a decision-making process to say something, maybe an emergency on the road, caused that person to turn right, therefore avoiding an unnecessary or an unjust charge. So we're soon to release a new range of ANPR cameras powered by our large-scale AI, where we can boast up to a 95% accuracy in detecting the make and model colour of a vehicle. And that will be a new range releasing shortly.
So can you describe Hikvision's ITS cameras powered by the Guanlin model enhance road safety?
So Hikvision's ITS cameras and our servers are equipped with the Guanlin large-scale AI model, and that enables them to deliver substantial improvements in traffic monitoring accuracy, and that in turn improves road safety. And a classic example of that is how we're using tech for good. So if we increase driver awareness by improving the safety of themselves and the monitoring of their behaviours and then drawing that to their attention, eventually that makes them safer, but also improves the safety of other road users, which I think is a really good case in point of tech for good. In July, we introduced the AID range, AID standing for Automatic Incident Detection. So it's a range of cameras fitted with the latest large-scale AI, and we're able to cut false alarms by up to about 60%. What they do is they recognise context of the scene and are able to distinguish things like the difference between road litter and road markings, so far more accurate in the way they deliver the results back to the end user and the analysis that they then do to give you the alerts that are required.
So what impact do you foresee large-scale AI having on the future of intelligent transportation systems?
So large-scale traffic AI systems will reshape how cities manage mobility. With faster responses to incidents, a more accurate level of enforcement, and smarter, safer roads. That's my opinion. There's also another consideration. So if we keep the traffic moving, there's less impact on the environment, less pollution. That will bring a benefit to society as a whole, and another example of how we're deploying tech for good. And I think the future of traffic management isn't just automation. It's about it being intelligent, bringing real-world benefits for everybody. So faster incident detection and response means that the person who is in trouble and needs some support gets it faster. The officers will then be working on more real events rather than false alarms. And we have the fair enforcement systems which will ultimately build public trust in those systems, and that's a key point to note. And then finally, as I said, it's much greener for the planet. So look, I want to summarise by saying that the future of traffic management isn't just about automation. It's about the system being intelligent and bringing real world benefits for everybody. So faster incident response and faster detection means a quicker response, and the added benefit is you've got traffic officers working on real events rather than false alarms, so they're in the right place at the right time. You have a fairer enforcement scenario going on, which in itself will build public trust. Public trust is important if you're going to expand the use of these systems. And then finally, if we keep the traffic moving, we have a much greener environment for us to operate in. So, in my view, what's not to like?
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Gary. It's been great speaking to you.
Thank you.